Alright guys, as you can see I got them both fully plastic dipped now. It took about 4 or 5 coats. Those reflectors are very hard to get fully sealed. I kept having to hold it up to the light and check and see if light shined through it, and it took that many coats before light stopped going through it. Didn't use anything fancy plastic dip, just, basic black, old reliable basically. As you see, I've had my DeWalt battery sitting here so I can test the lights. Give me a little bit of DC power sitting here. It's a little more than 12 volts, but I mean it's not going to kill it. So what I'm going to use is my epoxy is JB Weld's Water Weld. It's specifically designed for fiberglass and plastics. So that's what I'm going to do. You just meet it, press it around, and let it sit. So I'll get these all pressed in space, and I'll cut you guys back on here in a few minutes. Alright guys, as you can see, I ended up using 2 different type of epoxies putties. This is the JB Water Weld. This is like I believe it's called a steel stick. I'm not really positive on where I did with the packaging. I didn't quite have enough of the water weld. So I used a little bit of both on each one. Basically, I put the seal down as the water weld, put it all the way around, set the housing on it, press it down into it so that you got a little lip on the inside and out. Then I put the steel stick just to fill any kind of little tiny gaps that were left. So that'll cure in about an hour. Then I can get ready to start sanding and painting these and getting the wiring worked out for the lights. I might see if I can't wire them up temporarily and flip it over while it's wet, and bump the lights on and see if we can show you what it looks like. Alright guys, this is the other side. As you can see it's black where the white clear light used to be. It doesn't look quite like I wanted it, but I mean, it's doable. A little bit of black on the back of a car really does not bother me. I go ahead and rig these things up kind of with a little bit of wiring. So you got running lights right there. Let's see here. I'm just kind of jerry rigging it off a battery. Alright, so there's your running lights. Just like so. And then brake lights. Brake lights, non-brake light. Brake light. So, all in all, it's I think it's going to work out pretty well. I think it'll look really good at night. So now I've got to wait until these buckets finish setting up. In reality, I probably shouldn't have been messing with them for like about another 35-40 minutes, but I wanted to test it out and give you guys a little sneak peek of it. So I will see you guys on the next one here when I get everything sanded and get ready to start installing these on the actual car, and painting them, of course. So I'll see you guys on the next one.